Today we're looking at part number 21-41. This is your triple axle trailer fenders, your triple round smooth teardrop trailer fenders for your triple axle trailers. It has 2 teardrops in it, and it is made of 16 gauge steel, and it is 9 inches wide by 108 inches long, and it's 20.5 inches tall. It's made of 16 gauge steel. It's raw, so you can paint it whatever color you want to paint it. It has a 1-inch radius on the front and back. So this little bend right here, 1-inch radius. And we do sell the fender backs separately for them if you need them. So pretty much your standard fender for your triple axle trailers right here. And you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. We'd be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching.